everyone, this is Tina from Landpack in China, and today I'm going to show you the multi-pack machine behind me. And this is one of the biggest multi-pack machine in China, and it can produce the roll film width is 1,200 ml. And now I'm going to show you each step one by one. We take the air shaft roller film, so you can change the roll film very easy. When you receive the machine, and if you want to change your roll film, and you only need to cut over here by this gap to reconnect your roll film. We use the roller film to keep the machine pulling film stably. Over here is the print with the multi-head printer. It can print the date information on each line. Over here is the UV lamp. It can ensure the hygiene of the roll film. And we take double-layered material tank. You can fill in the water inside the middle layer, and we use the heater and mixer to mix the material with the batter slowly. And over here, you can see the level of the material if enough or not. And we take the piston pump as the material pump. You can adjust over here to adjust the filling capacity. Here is the anti-leaking filling nozzle to ensure the filling capacity, filling the accuracy. And we use the imported accessories with a high quality, and use the servo motor to control the pulling film to run the machine stable. We use the reliable electrical components such as the touch screen and the PLC to run the machine stable. So now let's run the machine. If you want to know more details about the Landpack, please find us at the below website. In Fish and Pack, I choose Landpack. Thanks for watching. I'm Tina. Bye-bye.